Hey everybody, I'm Justin with Veteran Compost, and today we're going to talk about coffee grounds. Can I compost coffee grounds and filters? And I'm an enthusiastic yes when it comes to coffee grounds and filters. They're one of the best things you could do in the garden, whether it's in your compost pile or directly applying it to your soil. So if you have coffee grounds or coffee filters, off they go to the compost pile. Now, one thing you might be thinking is, well, hold on a second, coffee is acidic. Well, as we brew coffee itself is acidic, but guess what? All that mostly goes into your mug. The grounds themselves, when they're done, are neutral. And you'll see there's a link below that kind of describes from Oregon State some of the background on coffee grounds, some good uses for it, and backs up the fact that yes, they are in fact around 6.5 to 6.8. So there you go. You don't have to worry about things being too acidic. Coffee grounds are pretty neutral and pretty good to go. So here we have coffee grounds that we get in. These are coffee grounds that come from a local chain. You can see all the filters and the coffee material. Great thing about coffee grounds, they're so fine, they're great. If you have coffee grounds themselves, you can get them from any Starbucks for free. They'll give you a bag of coffee grounds. You can apply them to worm bins. You can put them in your backyard compost pile. You can apply them to the surface of your garden. Per pound or per weight, coffee grounds are about 2% nitrogen. So they're a nice soil amendment with nitrogen. Now I wouldn't use this as a fertilizer, I'm not gonna use the F word, but it's a really good nitrogen-rich material to add to your soil or add to your compost pile. And then the filters themselves, are really a fine fiber, so they're gonna break down really quickly. As long as this is wet, we're gonna see these decompose very quickly. So if you have coffee grounds, whether you ground it yourself or you go out and get them from a coffee shop, coffee grounds, coffee filters, awesome for the compost pile. One of my favorite things. Check out the link below on some more tips on composting coffee grounds and some ways to use them in your yard. And if you have coffee grounds, get them in that compost pile. I'm Justin with Veteran Compost. Have a great day.